we really think he's 15 years old?
That's a good.
Bhumika, this reminds me of a nurse in COVID saying, "This is a conspiracy theory. There's no COVID."
Bold
Wow.
call for the final.
It showed him the visualization and the actual shot.
That is a very good idea, Olya.
But I think RCB just has the batting and the bowling.
Playing at home.
Chai. This is Tapri number 10. Welcome, everyone.
Welcome.
Who will be the trophy winner on Sunday?
Show us that 21 pointer, even though I know every one of them. Oh, Sujit's gone for the. Okay, I like it. Sujit's gone for the Hatke one. All right, so everyone's going for batter hits 10 sixes, and Sujit's gone for 3 or more wickets. Any of the RCB bowlers, you think?
I mean, possible. Krunal.
Possible.
Come as an impact sub, bowl the last over and the match is done. And
Yeah, exactly. Let's go to the 13 pointer. Bhumika is 8 sixes. Hemal, Olya, and Nishita are the same. Sujit's gone for team all out under 150. Bold call
Wow.
for the final.
For the final?
I think this is going to be a low scoring game.
Yeah, it is going to be Ahmedabad as well.
And Sunil, 23rd yard club, has gone for 26 or more runs in an over.
Probably it's Romario Shepherd's over, which will go for 26 as well.
Oh, yeah, that's possible.
Irrespective of who bats.
Even 6 overs, 75 as a risk. But you may have 2 overs where only 10 runs are scored, and then suddenly you have an over where 35 gets scored.
I'm surprised no one picked bowler takes 4 wickets also. That's happened 18 times in the IPL so far. Whereas 75 and 6 has happened 24 times, I think.
Recency bias also, no? After watching the batting today.
Yeah.
Patidar, I hope I don't end up being a mega, but I'm getting a feeling that वो दोबारा नहीं मारेगा वैसे.
5 8 pointers.
The most obvious one for everyone, I suppose.
I didn't take that one.
Even I didn't take that one.
Talk to us about the most unique ones you've picked.
My
That's
2
true.
bowler ones are here.
4 dot balls and over with 2 wickets, okay?
Yeah.
I think Bhumika and I are the same.
Trophy winner on Sunday.
Rajasthan Royals.
RCB.
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 Hemal, you said RCB too?
No, RR.
RR.
I'm supporting RR. I'm not
Hemal and I are
RCB. RCB, though I would like RR to win
Yeah, even
because
I.
of Jadeja, but I think RCB just has like the batting and the bowling. Their bowling is like they have really good bowlers too. They have variation.
I'll go for GT for their bowling. Like I want GT to beat RCB,
He
beat
is a
Kohli.
better team than RR.
Yes.
And GT will be playing at home.
You didn't read Sameer's full comment. उसने लिखा था सूर्यवंशी के दिन खत्म हो गए उससे
At
पहले
the,
मेघा के दिन खत्म हुए.
Sunil, who do you think, according to you, is heading into the final?
Dude, I thought Rajasthan will not even make the qualifier. They have one bowler. They're playing with one bowler and
No, but the thing with RR is, this is my feeling, that if Suryavanshi does not work and he doesn't click, then it's going to be a completely different look.
Completely different. Yeah.
And he's quite capable of not hitting actually. He's done that. He's like done really well in one, then the next one he's not done.
But today people were analyzing that every method of getting him out, he has practiced and tried to come around it in the nets. And they were interviewing his coach, and he was saying that he really, really internalizes everything every time that he's failed. He's really worked hard around all of it.
He
They
was
showed
so
him coming and
confident.
visualizing each of the shots, and it showed him
Yeah.
the visualization and the actual shot later on. That's pretty cool.
He was so disappointed, 97. Like, he couldn't
Yes.
believe this.
He didn't leave the crease for
Yeah.
a few seconds.
he was
Me
Harsha
too.
Bhumika.
Even I couldn't believe it. Sorry, Sunil.
अच्छा वो actually asked him कि आप बड़ा टाइम लेते हैं जाने के लिए. He got very sheepish, got very shy, like वो होता है. नहीं वो 100 के लिए ही नहीं था क्योंकि वो शॉट वहाँ नहीं खेलना चाहता था मैं इसलिए.
कोई बात नहीं बेटे. He was in a very
कोई
fatherly
बात नहीं
mood.
बेटे, exactly.
Funny stuff.
I was actually thinking I wanted to watch Vaibhav Suryavanshi bat in the final. I wanted Rajasthan in the final. I thought that they would not make the final. After they finished fourth, I was like, oh, they're not going to make the final. Winning 2 matches in a row with that kind of bowling attack, they'll not. But now suddenly you have a chance. With that kind of bowling, you need like Tendulkar to bat through the 50 overs. It's like 90s India where Tendulkar has to bat through the 50
Tendulkar batting
overs.
50 overs मतलब 50 ओवर में मुश्किल से 100 रन में इस रेट पे नहीं बनेंगे रन.
That was a different era.
Different
Hemant,
era.
Come on. You can't
We
compare.
compare. But honestly, if Rajasthan make the final, I'll be happy. Just to see Suryavanshi bat in the final in that pressure situation with.
He doesn't feel pressure, dude. उसको कुछ नहीं लगता.
But
That's what I
remind
want to
me,
see, whether
has he played like this in a chase also?
Do we really think he's 15 years old?
Ooh.
No, he's
Yeah, that's a good one.
Bhumika, this reminds me of a nurse in COVID saying, "This is a conspiracy theory. There's no COVID."
Yeah.
Like Coffee with Karan, we need to get everyone back again to clarify all their.
Yes, yes. What do they think of their comments?
Give out awards. I think Bharat to definitely needs some award.
That is a very good idea, Olya.
Bharat was the
वो
best,
कौन सा
most
होता है वो?
entertaining.
Most entertaining. तो
Most
भारत को
entertaining.
जानते.
Muflis.
Highest strike rate है उसकी.
है ना? Muflis.
कहाँ
Muflis
पे-
मिलना चाहिए.
Where did he finish on the table? Who was the last? Samir.
Sameer,
No.
dude.
Samir.
Oh,
And
boy.
Samir's like, I can't play Women's World Cup.
Nobody's gonna let you also.
What you know the response to that was you were not even invited. Who said that, Samir? I didn't expect you to be this low in the rankings.
I said it.
Bhumika.
I said it.
Twice.
How is that
We made a sip.
even how is that even an explanation? This is not fair. This is just a game of luck.
उसको हमें रेफरी की तरह रखना चाहिए था.
मैं सोचू सुजीत को रखा for maintaining discipline.
Oh, I can't maintain discipline at all. तुम लोग लड़ो जितना लड़ना है.
Chaos.
Right, last up, guys.
Bye.
Yes.
See you in
And
June.
All the best.
chai chai chai.
Chai chai.
Chai, chai, chai.
Cheers, cheers.
Bye.
Bye.